Hi, welcome. In the last lecture, we have seen Gibbs free energy change in a chemical reaction. Today, we will see one problem based on Gibbs free energy change. See, problem is calculate the standard Gibbs free energy change, that is delta G0, for the following reaction from the data provided. So we have given with a reaction 2 moles of SO2 plus 1 mole of oxygen gives 2 moles of SO3 at 25 degrees Celsius, which is temperature, and pressure 1 bar. So data is provided to us. The SO2 gas having delta HF0 value minus 297 kilojoule per mole, and delta HF0, it is the standard heat of formation of that substance, and S0, that is standard entropy values, are given to us. Now see the solution. So we have to calculate standard Gibbs free energy, means the value of delta G0, and formula to calculate delta G0 value is equal to delta H0 minus T delta S0. So we have to calculate delta H0 and delta S0 for this reaction. Now see, what is the formula to calculate delta H0? It is equal to summation of number of moles of products into delta HF0 of products minus summation of number of moles of reactants into delta HF0 of reactants. So it is equal to the number of moles of products. There are 2 moles. So 2 into delta HF0 value of product is SO3. So we have to take delta HF0 value of SO3, which is here, minus 2 into, again, our reactant, in case of our reactants 2 moles of SO2 are there, therefore 2 into delta HF0 of SO2 gas minus, there is only 1 mole of oxygen, so due to this minus sign, here also come minus sign, so delta HF0 of oxygen gas. Now we have to put the respective values. So it is equal to 2 into the delta HF0 of SO3 gas is minus 396 kilojoule per mole, minus 2 into the delta HF0 of SO2 gas is minus 297 kilojoule per mole, which is also given, minus 1 into the delta HF0 of oxygen is 0. So by solving this equation, finally we get the value of delta H0, which is minus 198 kilojoule. Okay, then we have to calculate delta SF0. So the delta SF0, again we have formula summation of number of moles of product into standard entropy of products minus summation of number of moles of reactants into standard entropy of reactants. So it is equal to 2 into H0 of SO3 gas minus, again 2 moles of are there, therefore 2 into H0 of SO2 gas minus 1 into H0 of oxygen gas. So by putting the respective values, so we have all H0 values are here, we have to take one by one and put into this equation. Okay, so by solving this, we get minus 187 joules per Kelvin. So we have delta H0 minus 198 kilojoule and the delta SF0 minus 187 joules per Kelvin. Okay, so our formula to calculate delta G0, it is equal to delta H0 minus T delta S0. So it is equal to, our delta H0 value is minus 198 kilojoule minus temperature 298 Kelvin. Temperature given 25 degrees Celsius, we have to convert it into Kelvin. So minus 298 Kelvin into minus 187 joule per Kelvin, but we have to convert it into the kilojoule, so we have to multiply by 1 into 10 raised to minus 3. So we get minus 198 kilojoule plus 55 kilojoule. So final value we get delta G0 is equal to minus 142 kilojoule. So the standard Gibbs free energy change for this reaction is minus 142 kilojoule. So this is one of the representative problem based on the calculation of standard Gibbs free energy of a reaction. There are various problems are given in your textbook. Please try to solve that problem so you will get deep insight into this concept. Thank you for the watching.